Okay, fam, I'm at Walgreens. This what happens when you wait till the last minute to do some coupon. Everything be bought out. Okay. I did this deal here. Wait a minute. Right here. Yesterday. Which I didn't record. So I ain't gonna talk about that one. But this is the deal that I'm gonna do. When you buy, y'all see that? You buy two and you get a $3 register reward. So off this one, I got a $2 digital. It's gonna be $3.50. Off this one, I got a $1 digital. It's gonna be $3.50. But I'm gonna get a $3 register reward back. So my first transaction gonna be both of these, which is gonna be $7. I'm gonna have a $2 digital, $1 digital. That's $3 gonna come off. I'm gonna pay $4 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back $3 register reward, which I'm gonna roll into this next transaction. Okay, Walgreens have, which I've had to search around and I found that one. But when you buy 4, it's 4 for 10. So the $3 register reward I'm getting for this, I'm gonna roll into this transaction, which gonna have me paying $7 out of pocket. But that ain't bad because I'm getting pods, liquid laundry detergent, and 2 bounce, in which you divide 4 into 7. These are $1.75 a piece. I see they still running this on this darn body wash, this Dove body wash here. About to get a $4 register reward. They ain't got no darn digital. They ain't got no coupon. It says this goes through March the 23rd, so if we have any digitals that come out tomorrow, I will be back because I love this Dove. Y'all see they about empty. The coupon has been wiping them completely out. What's that one down there? Buy 3, get a $5 register reward for $8.29. Nah, you have to roll that with a spend deal, fam. And you gotta have some coupons to lower your out of pocket. I'm just looking around. What's this? $8 Walgreens cash reward when you buy 2. Oh, I ain't got no coupon for that though. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow because I'm gonna come back tomorrow and see what the deal is that they have. Because the young man over there pulling tags and putting up the new ones. So I miss this deal right here. Anytime they run this kind of deal, this the best time to stock up on your storage bags. You buy 1 and you get 2 free. I miss that one too. Alright, let's go to checkout. Okay, fam, I'm out of Walgreens. So remember what I said about this for $3.50, this for $3.50. That brought it up to $7. I had a $2 digital, a $1 digital, which took it down to $4. Here's my receipt. So my subtotal was $4 out of pocket, and I got back the $3 register reward, which I rolled into the laundry deal. So I'm gonna show you that receipt. Okay, fam, here's that second receipt about the 2 Tides laundry and 2 bounce. And I used that $3 register reward from my first transaction, which brought it down to $7 out of pocket, which is not bad at all for laundry detergent, which made them $1.75 a piece. So it turned out a good deal. Okay, I had to go in and work today, so that's why I'm in uniform with a name tag. But always get what you need. A lot of people stockpile on unnecessary stuff. I used to do that. I ain't gonna lie. When I started off couponing years ago, I was hitting it hard. Hard. That's why I had to give away a whole bunch of stuff because it was just sitting there. But now I know stockpile stuff that I need or stuff that I'm going to give away, like that kids toothpaste. I'm going to give that to my grandkids. When I get enough stockpile up, I'm going to start giving it away. Give it away to women's shelters, homeless shelters. They always in need of something. And that's my way of giving back. So I pray that y'all have a blessed evening. Give me the thumbs up. And we gonna see what Walgreens got going on tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna be couponing tomorrow on Sunday. I got me a little rest today. Even though I had to go in for a couple hours. But I got me a little rest today. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. And welcome, welcome, welcome to the family. New subscribers, welcome to the family. Because you ain't subscribers to me, you my family. Love you guys. Bye-bye, fam.